Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best smartwatches with camera for kids that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Kids Game Smartwatch from Cosyp. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list, priced at just $19.99. It's packed with features aimed at younger children, including 24 educational and fun games, a selfie camera, a pedometer, and even a flashlight. The watch is designed to excite kids while promoting logical thinking and hand-eye coordination. The Pop Big Head sticker feature on the camera allows kids to take funny, creative photos, making it a great tool for self-expression. In terms of design, the watch features a 1.54-inch IPS HD touchscreen and a lightweight build, making it comfortable for kids aged 4 to 12. It has a durable aluminum frame and a vibrant display, though the lack of GPS or advanced connectivity options limits its functionality. However, with a 500 mAh battery and USB charging, it offers decent battery life for the price point. This watch is ideal for parents seeking an affordable yet entertaining device for their kids without the need for app integration or GPS tracking. Pros include its low price, variety of features, and ease of use. On the downside, it lacks connectivity features like Bluetooth or cellular functionality, and the screen resolution, while adequate, doesn't match premium models. At number 4, the Wizadet Kids Smartwatch steps up with a slightly higher price tag of $27.22, offering more refined features compared to our budget pick. Like the Cosyp model, it includes 24 fun games, a camera, and a pedometer, but it also enhances the user experience with a more robust build quality and better customer reviews. The camera features a fun sticker shooting mode, allowing kids to create amusing photos with friends or family. The design is lightweight yet sturdy, with the same 1.54-inch touchscreen as the previous model. However, it feels slightly more polished, and the addition of a screen glass protector in the box is a thoughtful touch. While it doesn't have GPS or app connectivity, its intuitive interface and preloaded features make it a solid standalone device for kids. The battery life is comparable to the Cosyp model, lasting about a week on a single charge, depending on usage. This watch is perfect for parents who want a slightly upgraded option for their children, with a better build and improved usability. Its pros include a vibrant display, solid build, and thoughtful extras like the screen protector. However, the lack of advanced connectivity and the absence of GPS still limit its functionality. Coming in at number 3 is another entry from Cosyp, the kids' smartwatch designed specifically for girls. Priced at $23.99, this model builds on the features of the earlier Cosyp watch, with the addition of habit tracking and parental controls. With 26 games, a selfie camera, and a pedometer, it's packed with features to keep kids entertained and engaged. The upgraded HD camera allows for sharper photos and videos, while the Pop Big Head sticker shooting adds a creative touch to the experience. The durable aluminum frame and 1.54-inch IPS HD touchscreen make this watch both sturdy and user-friendly. The inclusion of habit tracking is a standout feature, helping kids develop good routines, and the parental control mode gives parents peace of mind. Battery life is solid, lasting up to a week on a single charge, and the USB charging cable is included for convenience. This watch is an excellent choice for parents seeking a balance between affordability and functionality. The habit tracker and parental controls set it apart from other models in this price range. Pros include its educational features, robust build, and thoughtful parental controls, while cons include no GPS or app connectivity, limiting its functionality for older kids. At number 2, we have the Suunto Smartwatch for kids, priced at $35.99. This model brings health and fitness monitoring into the mix, setting it apart from the lower-ranked options. featuring a heart rate monitor, sleep tracker, and stress data. This watch is designed for parents who want to encourage healthy habits in their children. The IP68 waterproof rating ensures it can handle splashes and even swimming, making it a durable choice for active kids. The 1.85-inch touchscreen provides a larger display compared to other models, with customizable watch faces that kids can design themselves. The watch also offers over 22 activity modes, audiobooks, and storybooks, making it a versatile educational and fitness tool. While it doesn't include GPS or SIM card functionality, the option to use it with or without an app gives parents flexibility in how they manage the device. This watch is perfect for health-conscious parents seeking a durable, feature-rich smartwatch for their kids. Its pros include advanced health tracking, water resistance, and a larger screen. The cons are its lack of GPS and cellular connectivity, which may limit its appeal for older children or parents looking for real-time tracking. Finally, at number 1, we have the Junior Track 4 Kids Smartwatch by Cosmo, priced at $129.99. This premium smartwatch offers unmatched safety and connectivity features, including GPS tracking, real calling and texting, and enhanced parental controls. It's essentially a child's first phone, with a pre-installed SIM card and affordable cellular plans starting at $9.99 per month. The GPS functionality allows parents to set safe zones and receive location alerts, providing peace of mind. The Junior Track 4 has a round design with a 1.4-inch screen and a durable build. The addition of Spotify Kids is a unique feature, allowing parents to enable age-appropriate music and podcasts. The watch also includes an SOS function, customizable parental controls, and activity tracking, making it a comprehensive tool for both safety and entertainment. However, its premium price point may not fit every budget. This watch is ideal for parents looking for a connected, safety-focused smartwatch for their kids. Pros include GPS tracking, real-time communication, and advanced parental controls. The only downside is the higher price, but for the features it offers, it's well worth the investment for families prioritizing safety and connectivity. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.